shivling and this shivling water fountain. So see, it works. As you can see, water is coming. See, water is coming. Now I'll switch it off. So see, this is Abhishek. So now first I will show you how to make this shivling. If you have ready-made, then you can use this ready-made, but I will make this. So now I will show you how to make this. To make this, you need one ball. See, I have cut it half, as you can see, and the half is over here. See, and then you need a plastic bottle. Some plastic I have cut and folded it over like this and stick it with sellotape. Then I will show you how to make this. To make this, you in that only plastic bottle, the upper part is like this and that lid is there. It is the upper part and the lid is over here, so I have cut that part and I have put one plastic over here to make this. See, as you can see, and here one empty pen, and then color it black color, and this is a sticker. I have added one sticker and cut it in 3 half. And then to make this red color, you have to take another sticker, or you can also take any white color sellotape and paint it red. Cut this circle from the sticker red color and paint it red. Then same small circle, cut it from the sticker and paint it yellow. So see, then this is ready. Now I will show you how to make this. If you have big plastic container, you can use that. I didn't have, so I have used this cardboard box and then covered it with plastic and I have put a water pump here, and you have to take flexible pipe. I have take this plastic pipe and then inside it this flexible pipe, this one, and then you can take any cup or anything and make a hole down over here and put the pipe. Then this is for only decoration, and this water will come for Abhishek. As you can see over here. And now we are completed. Om Namah Shivaya.